What's up YouTube, it's your boy MX Tower. This is how it's going down. In this video I'll be bringing to you some news about Vechain, some updates that I've seen on Twitter. I'll be telling you about a potential coin breakout called EOS, as well as some crypto news, and finally Bitcoin is breaking out from underneath the 12k resistance mark. So I will tell you about the next potential target, so stay tuned, strap on tight, because we're going to the moon, baby. We're going to the moon.
Jay, what do you want to do tonight?
The same thing we do every night, Pinky. Try to take over the world.
It's world domination, you too mistake. Always got the doobie in the motherfucking eighth. Always got the trees. So what
Okay guys, I just wanted to quickly interrupt my own video just to tell you guys about Numeraire. So basically, Coinbase Pro have said that they're going to list Numeraire on their exchange, and essentially with Coinbase Pro listings in the past you've seen a massive price increase. So if you do have any free funds available either in Bitcoin, USD Tether or any other cryptocurrency, I would personally recommend buying Numeraire on Binance or any other exchange that you can buy on, because the Coinbase pump is real and these are quick, easy gains. So I'm just releasing a quick short draft of this video just to get this out to as many people as possible. There is another proper video coming, so yeah, that's the video guys. Make sure you hit the like button, smash subscribe if you're new, and let's get this crypto, baby. Alright guys, so first of all, looking off at the markets, we can see Bitcoin's up above 12k, doing very nice. Very nice.
It's nice.
Very nice. Ethereum, you know, it's major, or no, there's minor gains other than XRP in the top 10. There's not much really to see. Looking at the biggest gainers in the last 24 hours, Yearn Finance once again surging, bloody hell. Last time I saw this coin it was like 4k, 5k. I'm interested to see the tokenomics of this coin. So the max supply is 30,000. So potentially this coin could, you know, rapidly increase in price. But I do not know much about the tokenomics. I do implore you guys to check it out. But you can see in the last 30 days that it's gone up 30x, a whopping 30x. So a whole month ago this coin was trading, wow. It went from nothing to it went from nothing to bloody 8k in a month. Crazy guys, crazy. But yeah, looking at the biggest gainers, we can see Ocean Protocol, OMG Network, Waves as well, doing quite well. Ren, I've been hearing a lot about Ren. Qtum, looking at the biggest losers, we have Swipe. Ooh, geez, I hold Swipe. It's a peak. Well, I'm just gonna hodl that, to be honest. Honestly though, I would advise you guys, if you can, maybe if you see your money double, sell your position and then buy back in on the dip. Regrettably, I did not do that with Swipe, but I'm still up overall. Do try to capitalize on these short-term gains, because with Swipe I'd more than doubled my money. It'd gone up by like 175% or something ridiculous, and I didn't sell it, assuming that, you know, we'd have a small retracement and then we'd go back up. But you can see from an all-time high it's gone down at least, or nearly 40%. So do bear that in mind. I will try to enter, you know, gain another position, but I'll be happy with £100 gains, which is like 50%. So it's not too bad, but yeah, it stings, you know, to lose that much. But yeah, looking at Bitcoin, we can see that it's broken above the 12k. Oh, Jesus Christ! Bitcoin's broken above 12k, which is one of our Fibonacci retracements from the all-time high. It's breaking above the R1 support now, and I see the potential target either being between 13k, which is the R2 level, or between the next Fibonacci retracement level, which would be around 14k, and this is in USD. However, it may retrace, we don't know. But looking at the RSI, you can see that we are currently at a 68, so there is a lot of room for growth. In our most recent price surge, we went up to around 82 on the RSI, so there is definitely a lot of room for growth. So I could potentially at least see us hitting the R2 support of around 13k, but who knows? It's not financial advice. Okay, so first of all, I'll do the potential coin breakout. So we have a potential coin breakout that I saw listed on, I think it was Cointelegraph, and looking at it, it's an interesting setup. We've had a pump. We're above the 20-day and 50-day and also 200-day moving average, which is these are all very good signs. We've had a pump. We've also had a retracement and found support at the R2, which is currently around $3.8. And looking at the chart and previous price action, we can see there has been some confluence at these levels. There's been resistance in the past year. We've also flipped it as support on several occasions, so now we're once again flipping it as support. So I could see us breaking up further to the 0.382 mark on the Fibonacci retracement, which would be a move up to the 4.3 cent mark, which would be roughly a 12% move, which is not much when it comes to crypto. But if you guys are looking for a short flip, then I do suggest looking into EOS, as I believe this could be a juicy breakout. But once again, as always, not financial advice. Okay, so this is what you guys came for. Vechain. So some Vechain news, guys. Vechain partners with Thornton Blockchain Cryptus to provide advanced blockchain solutions. So just gonna go over the article quickly. Grant Thornton Cyprus, one of the world's largest professional services network of independent accounting and consulting member firms, is partnering with the world's leading enterprise-friendly blockchain, Vechain. Very, very bullish news, guys. Very, very bullish news. Just quickly looking at Lunar Rush, we can see here that there has been a spike in the social sentiment. So I do believe that these two events are linked, as you can see the date here, and you can see the date on the article, 17th of August, which is a very good sign. Potentially could mean a further price spike or price surge larger than the 2% that we've seen in the last week, but who knows? Very, very interesting to see. Just to go over the article quickly, this partnership aims to pair and utilize Vechain's advanced blockchain solutions for various industries amongst the network of Grant Thornton Cyprus clients. The prospective clients would be heavyweights of their respective industries, which spans across food, pharmaceuticals, logistics, and automotive sectors, amongst others. So very, very bullish news. In September 2018, Grant Thornton Cyprus grew its technology services with the launch of a new blockchain service line, and this blockchain department was initiated in collaboration with Grant Thornton's network with presence in over 135 countries, which is very interesting to find out about. The establishment of a dedicated blockchain service department proves that Grant Thornton Cyprus has the vision and the foresight to recognize the potential of blockchain technology, enabling the usage and exchange of trustworthy, immutable data in the business world. Sectors such as the supply chain management, renewable energy, e-commerce, entertainment, health, finance, and much more will positively be affected by the adoption of blockchain. So just you wait, guys, just you wait. We are very early in this up and coming bull running cycle, as I keep on saying, and it's wholeheartedly true. Just looking at the next piece of the article. So this partnership aims to open doors with thousands of companies to adopt blockchain, with strong in-house development capabilities coupled with professional guidance from strategic partners such as PwC, DNVGL, which I'm not too familiar with. Vechain has established partnerships with many leading enterprises across various industries and continuous improvement and adoption of its one-stop data BaaS platform, the Vechain toolchain. Combining with Grant Thornton's professional consultancy and Vechain's market-leading blockchain technology, the partnership will be opening doors to thousands of companies. So this is what we want to see, guys. This is what we want to see. As soon as there's mass adoption, the value of Vechain's token will, I believe, dramatically increase in price, whether it's over a year, month, or whatever. As soon as the mass adoption comes, that's when we we receive our capital gains. So if you are a Vechain holder, make sure you smash the like button. Leave me your price predictions for Vechain in the future, as I will be loading up a bag of Vechain, as I like this news, guys. I very much like this news. So just one final article I'm going to read before we read the Ethereum news, which you guys may be interested in, is that Vechain is the pioneer of real-world business applications with international operations in Singapore, Luxembourg, Tokyo, Shanghai, Beijing, Paris, America, Italy, and San Francisco, with strong independent development capabilities and the professional compliance guidance of our strategic partners, PwC, one of the world's top 4 accounting firms, by the way, and DNV GL. I don't know who they are, but they're a global asset management certified. I don't know who they are, but according to the article, they are a leading global asset and certification society. Vechain has established partnership with many of the leading enterprises in various industries, including Walmart China, Bio China, BMW, Auto, PIC, H&M, ENN, Shanghai Gas, which I talked about the other day, as well as Walmart China, Louis Vuitton in DIG, ASI, and many others. So yeah, like I said before, if you remain bullish on Vechain, smash up the like button. Just looking at the chart, we can see, I believe, that we are in an ascending triangle. So there's a couple of ways that you could draw this triangle. You could either say it goes like so, or you could be a bit more acute in the line that you're drawing and say that we are like so. We can see here that we're trading above the 20-day moving average, which is a very bullish sign. Also above the 50-day and 200-day moving average, and we have been facing resistance. We have been rejected 3 times, just approximately at this 0.022 cent mark. You can say 0.021 cent mark. It's either one, but it's within that range. But once we do break this range, I believe the next price target would be the R2, which would be roughly around the 0.03 cent mark, which would give us an increase of 38%, and then from there to infinity and beyond, as Buzz Lightyear always says. So that's that really for Vechain. Make sure you guys smash up the like button if you haven't already. One final piece of news says that Vitalik Buterin says Ethereum 2.0 presents a much harder challenge than he thought. However, I believe in this guy. He seems like a genius, and we'll get into the article and then I'll give my opinion briefly. So Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin says that he would definitely freely admit that Ethereum 2.0 is much harder to implement from a technical perspective than he anticipated. Buterin made his remarks during a debate with Bitcoin maximalist Samson Moe. And guys, don't be a Bitcoin maximalist. Don't be an any coin maximalist. Support all cryptocurrency as if they came from your mother's womb. You know what I mean? Like just support every cryptocurrency out there, because we're all in it together, guys. Don't be shunning another coin. We shouldn't do that. So Buterin made his remarks during a debate with Bitcoin maximalist Samson Moe on Peter McCormack's podcast on August 16th, which was yesterday. McCormack, who is self-advertedly not far off from a Bitcoin maximalist position, asked Buterin this: do you feel like Ethereum has become a much more challenging project or an idea than you originally envisaged, or potentially you've bitten more than you can chew, and that it's getting to the point where there's no turning back? So Vitalik responded, I definitely freely admit that Ethereum 2.0 is much harder than we anticipated to implement from a technical perspective. I definitely do not think that we discovered any fundamental flaws that make it impossible, and I do think that it will be finished, and it's just a matter of time and actually being... It's just a matter of time, and it's actually been progressing quite quickly lately. So when this happened, guys, I do believe that the price of Ethereum will skyrocket. Can't put a price figure on it, but that's my belief. Smash the like button if you agree. Buterin added that it's likely some Ethereum applications may fail while others succeed, but he sees that these ebbs and flows in the project's multiple aspects as being independent of each other. So just to quote him directly, if Ethereum goes into one space and it turns out it's actually not useful for that space, then fine, those applications will not go anywhere. Meanwhile, the other sectors will keep on going, he said. So in terms of, these sectors that will work for Ethereum, I do wholeheartedly believe it will be DeFi, potentially interoperable cryptocurrencies as well. But ultimately, I do need to do some more research into coins that I do think will last the test of time. But essentially, DeFi coins, I do believe, will be a good foundation to build your portfolio upon. Anyway, guys, that's been the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, make sure you smash the like button, as I keep on saying, because yes, I'm a broken record, but I do need these likes to help the video get spread like jam on toast. So yeah, that's been the video, guys. Sorry for the weird analogy. But yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.